What's up, Royals? Welcome back to Tonetra's Garden. I'm Tonetra, and we are not in my garden today. We are actually at Dollar Tree, if you can see, and we're gonna go check out what they have in the gardening center for the spring garden, and also we're gonna look at some of the Easter stuff that they might have for the garden as well. So we're gonna do that. I'm probably gonna grab something, and if I do grab something, I'll let you know what that is. So yeah, let's get right into it. So I was looking for the seeds and they were hiding behind this little thing, so I had to move it out the way. Good thing it has wheels. So these are the seeds. Chives, dill, basil, beets, broccoli, cabbage, cantaloupe. Somebody told me to try these. I'm glad they have this brand. I'll try those. See the pepper. Spanish pepper, chili pepper, more basil, lavender, oregano, parsley, thyme, sage. Okay, chard. I might get these. Don't mind my hands, they're ashy. And I might pick up this one. And that's just the same one. Over here we have flowers, cosmos, cottage garden, bachelor button. Wow. American daisy, marigolds, sunflowers, zinnias. Zinnias are always great to have. I have here. So we have carrots and things, beans, cilantro, cantaloupe, dill. I got these too. Okay, so we're in the gardening section. It's looking like this. Let's see what they have. We have a bird feeder. I do have birds in the back. Here are the stackables, if you're looking to pick those up. Self-watering container. We have some flags. I've always wanted to try one of these, but I have to find a cute one. They have a lobster, light tower, hummingbird. Okay, and they have different sizes. They have some watering cans. I might pick one of those up. Wildflower blend, zinnias, bird and butterfly mix, sunflower. Oh, I've never seen anything like this at the Dollar Tree. Gladiolus, get 3 bulbs. We have a couple different colors. Insect sticks. That's kind of interesting. Keep the mosquitoes away. We have some lily pads. It's a good price. Those are nice. Gloves. Gloves are always a good one to have plenty of. I'm probably gonna grab a pair. These are really cute. Flowers. They have a lemon one. Ooh, I like those. And then they just have solid colors. These feel like they have a little bit more rubber on the back side of them. And these don't have as much. Okay. So maybe some 4th of July stuff already. Let's see these pots. That's a nice size pot. For $125. Little wind twisters. Plastic watering stakes. These would be good for hot climates and indoor plants. Plant clips. I have tomato clips, but I don't have anything that's just like this. This looks like it would come in handy for a lot of stuff. I have some little pot decorations. Little bumblebee and a little frog. That's cute. I have that one as well in a couple different colors. Hummingbird nectar. Galvanized container pots. You have to put your own holes at the bottom, or if you want to do a candle in here, I've seen some DIYs with that. If you go buy the big tall candles and get you some candlesticks. Garden hook. We have some more containers. It's pretty. I have some little ones, some little pots. Pot up some things, some little cute pots. Nice. We have some of these little plant, plates. These are a good price. Everywhere else I've seen, they're like $1 each, and these are $1 for 4. Okay, back there we have some grow kits. A daisy, some basil, some tomatoes, some little mushrooms in your garden. Those are so cute. How cute is that teapot? Sweet. Self-watering pots. Have some smaller ones for plants. You get 6 in this one. Great deal. Look at this. Some twinkle lights. Outdoor twinkle lights. Have some more larger containers. More up there. These are a good thing to have. if you have some plant starts. What is this? Transplanter. Nice and narrow. So that's an overview of everything that I'm seeing. I just came over here and this is like the middle section. They have these bigger containers for $5. I actually have those at home. And then you can set your plant on top of one of these. That's cute. Also for $5. And then over here in like the container section, they have some tubs for $1. These are great for like rinsing your produce off after you harvest it. A couple different colors. Those are nice. So we're gonna walk over here to the Easter section, excuse me. See if they have anything for the garden. They do have a lot of cute stuff. They have tons of buckets still. I guess you could use those on like your patio if you wanted to. Your door, that's so cute. That little pink truck. And all this like patio fun stuff. That's summer stuff, so not quite there yet. All right, so we are back, and yeah, they have a good amount of stuff for the gardening section. Everything was pretty much in stock. They didn't have the seeds out and displayed like they should have, but I found them, so I did go ahead and pick up some seeds, and I'm just going to show you which ones I got. A subscriber actually recommended me try these carrots. They're called, oops, I'm so clumsy. They're called Denver Half Long. So I got 2 packs of those. I got some more kale. This is the dwarf blue curled kale. And I got some Swiss chard that I'm going to start pretty quickly. That is what I picked up out of the $1.25 tree. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, Royals.